As the dust settled on one of the most watched elections in recent times, it was clear that Delhi was witnessing something that's never been seen before in electoral history. Three-time Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit crushed by the debutant Aam Aadmi Party, and though the BJP scored the maximum numbers, it remained just short of that halfway mark, making for a hung assembly. But neither the BJP nor the Aam Aadmi Party are open to an alliance with each other. So how will the numbers really stack up now?
A dramatic sweep, a dream debut, and the results of the Delhi Assembly elections were nothing short of historic. Trouncing the three-time Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit, Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party came very close to the majority mark. But it was the BJP who emerged as the single largest party in Delhi.
The numbers are very clear that irrespective of the fact that they have made a spectacular entry, as many are saying, in these assembly elections, BJP is still holding on a very decisive lead.
Yet the number game continues in the national capital, with the BJP just short of the halfway mark in the 70-member Delhi Assembly, followed closely by the Aam Aadmi Party with 28 seats. Hectic parleys have already begun as the BJP mulls its options to form the government in Delhi.
I am not going to approach the Lieutenant Governor for requesting him to ask me to form the government, because I don't have the numbers. I am very clear about it.
BJP's best hope is to get independent candidates on board to reach the tally of 33 seats. Or it can approach the Lieutenant Governor to form a minority government through a trust vote.
मेरे पास अगर नंबर नहीं है तो मैं सरकार बनाने के लिए कहीं पर जाकर जो है भिक्षा तो नहीं मांगने वाला हूं.
Inches away from the halfway mark, BJP is still categorically ruling out any post-poll alliance with the first runners-up.
जैसा हमने कहा है कि हम भाजपा से, कांग्रेस से ना समर्थन लेंगे ना समर्थन देंगे, ऐसा ही हमारे भाजपा कांग्रेस के दोनों मित्र क्यों नहीं कहते?
And the Aam Aadmi Party also refusing to offer support to the BJP, especially after accusing them of attempting to poach their leaders.
हम लोगों ने तो अगर जनता को ये कह के वोट मांगे हैं कि कांग्रेस और बीजेपी दोनों पे भरोसा नहीं किया जा सकता, तो फिर हम कांग्रेस और बीजेपी के में से किसी के साथ जा नहीं सकते और कोई मतलब ही नहीं बनता. ये तो जनता को धोखा देने वाली बात हो जाएगी.
With a hung assembly and the seat of power at the national capital at stake, it's now a question of who blinks first, BJP or the Aam Aadmi Party. Bureau Report, Times Now.